this movie for people who like to drink coffee. And many years we drink at home just dripping coffee from regular coffee maker, different kind of, but was dripping coffee many years. And this machine, this is amazing. And coffee from this one, it's very tasty. It's called French press, and French press coffee type. Yeah, this machine having a non-regular cup with a iron or copper bar around which is holding, having press type with a filter, and to easier clean you can disassemble it, just unscrew it and take for the part, and you will see filter and someone you don't clean very well, and a filter inside, and yeah, let's screw it back. And put it back. So now we have to use a grain coffee bean. Here I have a coffee bean. Okay, let's fill up this is enough. My kettle, I need to fill up with the water. And turn it on. Let's take the cup off and fill up with melted coffee. We just melt it right now. Well, they recommend 2 spoons, and with this pressure coming a spoon like that, this type of spoon, plastic one, big one. now waiting for them. Well, by recommendation, people recommend we doing sometimes, because the second one, to put in hot water, running hot water, put it for a couple minutes, because before boiled water, because this is anyway it's glass some kind of, and it can crack. Yeah, water is boiling. It's ready to fill up. First, little bit, just little bit, and mix it. Mix it with this nice plastic spoon. Ah, smell is so good. So good coffee smell coming. And fill more water, probably like half of this cup. Now stop. And put top cover. Yeah, and I have to leave it for 3, 4, 5 minutes. Let it stay. So here we have to press filter down and then very down to the bottom, and how can we do, and on the top we're going to have nice filtered coffee ready to drink, but it is a cappuccino. It's very strong, and so Julieta, this is very important, because this device have a hole, and you have to turn a cover top to open whatever get the coffee go down to the cup. So we have 2 cups of beautiful coffee, and now we are mixing with water, because we're making Americana for our breakfast. We're drinking usually Americana. We adding whatever we like to mix. We adding water. Oh, maybe it's not enough yet. Now we having a 2 cup of coffee, which having name Americana, we can call it. Strong one, good one, big size. Yeah.